Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. Welcome to another 2019 iPhone rumor update video. We have so much information about these phones already, and today we're compounding that even further. We have new details about the processors inside of all the 2019 iPhones alongside brand new antenna technology that Apple is working on, and for the second generation iPhone XR, likely called the 11R or something like that, Apple is removing two fan favorite colors, I think, and then adding two totally new colors that we have never seen, I guess since the iPhone 5C. We've never seen on an iPhone. One totally new. So if you guys are excited for that, drop a like down below, always helps me out, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. Let's go and get started. Now I know this one might shock you guys, but can you believe a faster processor? Yeah, I know, a faster processor is coming to the 2019 iPhones. This is like the coolest thing since the iPhones come out. All joking aside, in a new article from Bloomberg, they detailed that the processors coming to the 2019 iPhone said they are going to be manufactured by TSMC. Test production started in April, mass production, I believe, is starting later this month, and it is going to be called, again, like it was the A13 Bionic, what could it be called this year? It's going to be called the A13 chip, sort of paralleling iOS 13. So we don't know anything about the concrete, X% speed improvements, X% battery life improvements. We do know the general batteries are said to be getting larger with the 2019 iPhones, but there is a small snippet about what this processor could enable these phones to do, something that was previewed a while back. So with the new iPhones in 2019, because, there's some crazy looking cameras on the back of all of these now, you may be able to put someone back into a photo who was cut out. Now, Apple's probably going to do this not only through machine learning, powered by the A13 processor, but also through like some live photos functionality where before you actually snap the photo, it sort of is aware of what's going on. So if you're in that cool group photo and then somebody on the very left or right side maybe gets cut out, Apple's working to make it so that that person that gets cut out could be like re-included or re-stitched into the photo. Now, how they're going to do this, it's obviously going to be very complex. We don't have like the to the T details just yet, but if they are able to pull this off, there are some very specific case scenarios where, somebody gets cut out, they're out of the photo forever. It's totally sad. You might cry about it a little bit. At the same time, it is very situational, right? So like using your iPhone on a daily basis, you're probably not going to find this feature super helpful. No breakthrough details in this Bloomberg report, but just wanted to let you know, out of all this information, what I found the most peculiar was the colorways Apple is planning for the newest R phone in 2019. Whether it's second gen 10R, 10RS, or 11R, it's going to be coming in two brand new colors, and to fit those colors into the standard 6-color lineup as they did in 2018, two colors are going away. So blue and coral, these two color options are going away as of right now. Obviously, it's rumors, so it could change, but to replace these, we're seeing a brand new color we've never seen on the iPhone in the iPhone's history, and then sort of a refresh from the lime green color of the iPhone 5C back from 2013. So here's your look at it. These are my renderings of what I think these colors could look like. Not going to be super bright and flashy, but definitely going to catch someone's attention considering you now have a like limeish green color and purple or lilac. Even on the screen behind me, I don't know how I feel about these colors, and I got to hear your thoughts about these down below. If you had to pick this brightish lime green versus purple or lilac, which one would you choose and why? I think I'd definitely be sticking either with the product red R phone that I have already, or switching to something more traditional like white or black. I've seen some white or black 10Rs, and to me they just look the cleanest out of all the colors. I like the variety, I like the selection, but I don't know. Are people going to buy purple phones? Would you buy a purple or even a green phone? These are weird colors that I feel like consumers, real people, don't normally associate with phones. Personally, I don't know if I would love to get any of these colors. Green, I think I could do, but purple, it's just not my jam. So thanks, Apple. Now I have to buy an iPhone this year that I don't want. Next up, all the iPhones in 2019 as well are going to be seeing antenna upgrades. Now, I don't know what Apple did between the 10 and the 10S. The phones look nearly identical, but I have seen so many threads, so many issues, so many people having problems with the antennas on the iPhone XS. For me, I'd say it's been about the same as my reception on the 10, but so many people saying, yeah, my reception on my newest iPhone is worse than my older 2017 iPhone. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys have had antenna or reception issues. If you have, especially indoors, Apple, according to Minchico, is working to correct that through some new, slightly more expensive cell technology. Basically, the range of cellular bands that the iPhone can detect is going to be wider wider, so I assume if some of those bands are cut off by walls or roofs or concrete bricks. The new cell technology is going to be able to reach the wider ones, so you could possibly get that signal in a place where you could not get it before. Again, here, not a giant upgrade, not going to change the world, not going to reinvent your experience on the phone, but if you have had cellular issues historically, the new iPhone in 2019, or I should say all three new models in 2019, should be seeing better overall performance, especially when you're inside because you get those wider bands. Anyway, guys, that is all the news that I have for you today, and I want to hear your thoughts about everything that I talked about down below. Does this video make you more or less excited for the 2019 iPhones? And if you did enjoy it or you learned something new, drop a like down below. Always helps me out. And hit subscribe so you stay up to date on what's going on with Apple. I've been Sam. Hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you in my next video.